Hi, welcome to all to my web designing course. Today I am going to discuss how to create a simple web application for the scenario. The scenario which I am going to take for the today's session is e-commerce application. The first the In the e-commerce application, I am going to take the HP laptop store application. For example, there are a number of retailer. They will purchase the laptop from the HP company and they will sell it to the consumer. Now, I am going to develop a simple application for this scenario. Actually, the retailer they will purchase and they will sell it to the consumer. Then the retailer they need a simple web application to sell their product. Actually, this is the scenario. For this scenario, I wanted to develop a simple web application. Now, what I'm going to do now, I have uh, gone to my now I have moved to my current working directory. My current working directory is the WD web designing. In the WD, I am going to create one more new folder. Uh, One more new folder. Assume the new folder name is HP. Assume IQHP laptop store. This is my the folder. In this folder only I am going to create my web application. The IQ is the retailer company name. For this IQ retailer company only I am planning to develop a simple web application. That is why I have created one folder. This is my current working directory. In the current working directory only I will keep all the file. Now what I will do, already with respect to this laptop, already I have downloaded three image that is there in the download folder. Actually, this is simple laptop image. Just I am copying this laptop image and I am keeping in this IQ HP Lab Store folder. Okay, now the image that is needed for to build the simple e-commerce web application I have downloaded and I have kept. Now the image is ready. Now I have to write the HTML code for this. No, actually in this session, I am going to use the basic HTML and HTML form and little bit CSS. I'm not going to use all the concept which you all the concept in CSS. I will use only one or two line. I will use the CSS to make the web page is stylish. The first, I have opened my Visual Studio Code. In the Visual Studio Code, you can go to File. You create a new file. The first, now I am going to create the index file. Uh, yeah, let us assume my index file name is about.html. About.html. I am going to create this about.html. No, I am going to uh, save it in my current working directory. You can go to new file, you type about.html. Okay, now you can go to your current working directory. In the current working directory, you type about.html. You see, there is about.html is a file. It is created. It is there in my current working directory. You see, this is the about.html. Initially, this file it is empty. If you want to take some default code, you enter this exclamatory symbol. After entering the exclamatory symbol, you press tab. Okay, you will get the default code. This is the default code. In the default code only, I am going to write. The first thing, you have to change your title. My title of my web page is IQ laptop store. Okay, this is my title of my web page. Then we have to include the header information. For that I'm going to include the header tag. In the header tag, Again, I'm going to include the H1 tag. This is my main heading. My main heading website is IQ, or you change it IQ HP laptop store. Okay, IQ HP laptop store, that I have pasted. Actually, I want to make this H1 heading the center. The formula for that I'm going to use inline style sheet. In the inline style sheet, the first I'm going to use the text align. In the text align, I will give a center. Then next, I'm going to give a color to my text. Let's assume I'm going to select this color. Okay, it's up to you. You can select the color which you want. Okay, now I have created the header. Okay, if I run this web page, and one heading will be created. In the heading, IQ HP laptop store. This is my heading of the web page. Now I want to create a navigation link. I want to create a navigation link. Then as well as the in the after creating the header, no, you I will add the footer information also. So your web page, it's look good. Okay, at the end, I'm adding footer. Then in the footer, the first I will insert the copyright symbol. To insert the copyright symbol, ampersand copy. Okay, all rights are reserved for IQ HP laptop store company. Okay, this is my footer information. Before this footer information, I will add on. I will add the horizontal rule line. Now I will run this and I will show it to you. You see, after this is my title, this is my footer information. Now in between this my title and this footer information, I'm planning to add a navigation link, and I'm planning to add my web page main content. Okay, now I'm going to use the navigation tag for creating the navigation link. Okay, I have included the navigation tag. Next, I'm going to create a navigation link using the list, unordered list. Unordered, if you want to use unordered list, okay, you type UL in the unordered list, the first list element. Okay, the first list element, I'm going to create the link. If you want to create a link, you have to use a A. Okay, in the A, about us. Okay, in the about us, in the H reference, I am giving my HTML, the current page. The root page is about.html. The same page I am giving. Okay, the second list item. The second list item, no, it is the products. The products in the IQ Lab store. Products. Okay, for that, I am going to create products.html. This page I have not created. Okay, that we will create it later. Okay, I'm going to create one more link. Contact us. Suppose if you want to buy HP laptop, you have to contact. Okay, there will be HTML form concept I'm going to use. Using that, you can place your order. Now contact.html. Now I will run this code and I will show it to you so that you will understand how the code it looks. You see here I have created the navigation link. If I click this navigation link, it goes to the same page. Okay, the about.html. If I click this products, it goes to the products.html. The file, no, I have not created. That is why it is showing your file could not be accessed. Now if I click contact us, the contact file also we have not created. That's why you are getting this one. Now No, now this navigation link, it is in vertical. I don't want this link, it is in vertical. I want this link to be in horizontal. The for that, no, we can use the simple CSS style. Using that, no, we can change this appearance. Now I'm going to use the internal style sheet. In the internal style sheet, assume in the internal style sheet, for the list item, I'm going to write the simple. I am selecting the list item. For the list item, I am going to write the style declaration. Usually, no, the list item, when you are including list item in your HTML document, it will work as a block level element. The block level element means after printing the entire line, your cursor it will goes to next line. Your cursor it will goes to next line. Uh, that is why when you are that is why when you are running your code, that navigation links it goes to it goes to next line. I will show you again. I will show you so that you can understand. My system is slow. You see, after printing this about us, no, uh, this product it is printed in the next line. The reason is the list item, no, it is a block level element. That is why after printing every list item, it goes to the next line. Now I want to change this display behavior of list item. Okay, that is why I have returned list item. I have written list item. In the list item, I'm going to change the display property. Display. In the display, by default, it is inline. By default, it is block level. Now I am going to change it as a inline block. Okay, suppose now if I run and if you see the navigation link, it will be in vertical. No, not in vertical, it will be in horizontal. Previously, it was in vertical. Now, this navigation link, it will be in horizontal. You see now about us, products, the contacts us. Okay, now this also it is not looking good. I will add the background color so that it look good. If you want to add a background color for the list item for your navigation link, you select the navigation element, then you write the style. For example, I wanted to add a background color. I am going to select this background color. Now, if I run, now the background color it will be added to the navigation links. You see, for the background color, no, it is added to this navigation link about us, the products, the contact us. Okay, the background color it is added. Now if you look at, no, there is no space between this about us and product and the contact us. Now you can use the padding attribute, then, and you can give a space in between this list item. Okay, the for that I'm going to my list item, I'm typing padding, I'm giving the 17 pixel. It's up to you. You can give some pixel. Now I'll run and I will show you. You see, I have given the 17 pixel. The top also it is the I moved 17 pixel, bottom 17 pixel, left 17 pixel, and right 17 pixel. Okay, that is why this web page, it is now it is looking good. I have created one navigation link using the navigation tag as well as the anchor tag and the simple css rule. Now this web page it is looking good, but if I click about us, no, it goes to about us. But if I click the products, it's not going to products. If I click the contact us, it's not going to contact. Okay, now no, what you have to do, just you can go to your file, and you go to your file, go to save. You have to replicate this file. Now I'm going to save this about .html as a product.html. products.html. Okay, now it's not. I think that the T is not there, so I think we have to rename it. Product dot products.html. Okay, now again you go to this file, save as. You can type conduct.html. Okay, now go to file, open the about.html. Now I will run this code and I will show you the output. Now, I have linked all the three files. All the three files I have linked. Now it will work perfectly. Okay. Now we have to wait until the output comes. Okay, now you see if I click this product.html, the products it's not going. Okay, for contact it's going. The product I think we have we have to check our spelling of our page. Yeah, again, there is one C. There is a spelling mistake in my file name. Okay, there is one extra C. That's why it is not uh, coming. Okay. Okay, there is a spelling mistake in my file. That's why it's not working. Now, if I run this code, I can able to run. Resume idea student, when you're using the file name, you have to use the file name correctly. Otherwise, it won't work. Okay, now I'm going to run this code. Now, if I click about us, it goes to the same page. If I click the product dot no, it goes to the products.html. It is also the page is looks same, but no, the content it should be different. If I click the conductors, it goes to the conduct.html, but no, the background everything it's same, but the content we need to change. Now we are going to design this about us.html page. Okay, in the about us, we have to add a content after this navigation link. Okay, if you wanted to add a content in your main page, we have to use a main tag. Okay, in the main tag only you have to add a content. Already with respect to the about us, already I have prepared the content. The content I have saved in this text file. I'm going to copy this content. Just I'm going to uh, paste it in the Visual Studio Code. I don't want to type now. If I type now, it will take a time. Just I will uh, copy this and I will paste it here. Okay, this is the about us. No, I have already prepared this content from the internet. Now I will run and I will show you the output so that you can understand. You see, this is the when I click the about us, it comes this about the HP Lab Store company. It is displaying. The next, if I click the products, no, we have not added the information. If I click the contacts, we have not added information. Now, for the product web page, we have to design. I'm going to file. I'll open a file, the products.html. Okay, the products.html is a file. in the product.html after the navigation link, you know, we wanted to add the product already with respect to product. No, from the internet I have collected some HP laptop specification details, and I have used the table tag. Using the table tag, no, I have presented this information. I have presented this information. Just I will copy that information and I will paste it, and I will paste it. My mouse, it is not working. My mouse, it is not working. Let me check now. Okay, I will use my keyboard. I will use my keyboard. My mouse, it is not working. Control C. Then I will paste. Control V. Now I will run this about us. The same code I will run, and so my system is slow. Okay, now you can see I have included the code for the product.html. If I click about us, it is displaying my the about this IQ laptop HP Lab Store. If I click the products now, you see here I have used the table. Using the table now, I have added the information with respect to this HP laptop. Okay, the HP laptop model, then corresponding specification, then description. This is simple web page. It can be this. The visual appearance can be improved. Okay, okay. I have added the product name. Then I have given the price details. Everything I have given. Now, if I click the conductors, and the conductors, no, nothing is there. Now again, you have to write include a code in the conduct.html code. And now I have move to the conduct.html. There, no, at the end, you have to add the code for the contact page. For the contact page, no, now I am going to add the code. Already, I have created one simple HTML form. Okay, the HTML form. I have created one simple HTML form. That HTML form code is it is there in this text file. I'm going to copy this one. Just I will paste it here. Okay, now again I will run my code. Okay, again I will run my code. When I'm running my code, now you can see, no, if when I running my code, if I see in the contact us.html, no, you can select the laptop model, then you can give the quantity, and you can give your personal details, and you can place your order. Okay, this is the contact us. Okay, if you want to place any order, no, you have to click this contact us, and if you want to see the product details, you click the product detail. It goes to that corresponding web page, and it will display the product details. Suppose if you click the about us, no, it will display the corresponding details of this IQ HP Lab Store company. Okay, this is how, no, you can create a simple web application for any given scenario. For example, I will show you the other scenario also which I have created. You see, I have created one personal website for myself. The same, no, the same concept I have used, and I have created one simple personal website. In that, about me, contact, and then this is my photo and publication. You see, I will open this and I will show you. Okay, if I click about me, it will display about me, like where I completed my BTech or what's my contact details, everything it will show. Suppose if I click the publication details, no, it will go to my publication web page. There, no, it will display my publication web page, like, the currently I have published one paper. That link also I have given. If you click that link, it goes to the corresponding web page. Uh, the corresponding web page. It's my internet is too slow, that's why it takes time. Okay, okay, this is the paper which I published currently. Now again I will go back and I will show you the other links also. For example, if I if suppose if they want to contact me, then no here I have created one simple HTML form. Using the HTML form, no, they can no contact me. They can provide their email, their name, email, phone, subject, the message, and they can type and they can submit. The backend, no, we have not written any server side code. Okay, if you submit, nothing will happen. Okay, only we have created the HTML form. The HTML form we have included in our web page. Okay, this is how no you can, if any the scenario, if it is given, you have to create a simple web application. For example, let us assume the healthcare service. For example, for the cancer treatment hospital, no, they wanted to develop a simple web application for the cancer treatment. For that, if you want to develop a simple web application, you can have a the navigation link. The first one is about that cancer treatment hospital. The second one is the service which they are providing in the cancer treatment hospital. The third one, no, you can display the doctor details. The last one, no, you can give the contact us. There you can add the form. You can include the HTML form. Using the HTML form, no, you can design and you can contact that hospital. It's up to you. It doesn't mean that you have to follow the same process. You can design your website, using your innovative idea. Thanks for listening. We will meet in the next session.